precautions, right? I'm going to use a different kind of ice. I'm going to use this ice. Now, ice is what is, have you guys studied solids, liquids, and gases at school yet? No, yes. When you think of water, and water's frozen and it's a solid,
Please,
what do we call that? Ice. And that ice, it's a solid. That means it's not going to change shape. It's going to stay that shape until the very end. And it will stay the same shape. Now, when ice melts, what does it turn into?
Water. Good job.
And if it gets super duper hot, what happens to that water?
It
It boils, and what do we see coming off of it?
Steam.
We see steam. And that's water vapor. And that's water vapor. Now, this ice that I'm going to use, does anybody know what this is called? It is
Good
called
job.
dry ice. It is so super cold that I cannot touch it with my hands. It is so cold that it would instantly freeze my hands. And my skin might get damaged. And I'd have to go to the hospital, and that would end our field trip, and that just wouldn't be any fun, would it? So we don't want to do that. So I've got my special glove on, but I want you to be real quiet. We'll see if it does it this time. When I touch it with my metal,
Oh.
it is dry ice. What do you notice? You heard something. Anybody know what that noise was?
Ice.
Gas leaving
Well,
it?
we've got the gas coming off of it, but that noise was actually the tongs, the metal got so cold that it made the metal scream.
Whoa.
And if you look, you can actually see it melted a hole into the ice that's shaped like the tongs.
Cool.
You see the smoke coming off of it. So this one is so special, it goes straight from being a solid to being a gas. It never turns into a liquid. But do you think we can make bubbles with this?
Yeah.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in the water, and you notice it starts to smoke, and that starts to heat it up.
Oh no.
Now, I've got soap here. I'm going to see if I can make a soap skin.
Cool.
And let it run. Should we try it? Should we try it again?
She's gonna do it again. Here, come stand right here. Come stand right in front of me, boys. All right, now watch. Isn't that cool? Oh, careful! Don't do that, please.
The wind might get us first.
Yay!
And it keeps growing. Now, before when we were our bubble, and I told you that air, that gas on the inside pushes on our bubble, that's what happens in here. And because the gas keeps coming up and keeps coming up, it keeps growing and growing and growing until it gets too strong and it pops our bubble.